corona has made all of us so hygiene conscious, which is a good thing. But then what about our mobile phones? We carry them everywhere. So we disinfect our hands and then the infection is back again. Welcome to episode 8. Let's sanitize together. So let's get started. Now the first option for mobile cleansing is the UV kit, which is available on Amazon, which is for approximately 3,000 rupees. It's an expensive option, but again, the effect of UV rays, it's quite debatable. The second option is the microfiber cloth. So we just use this microfiber cloth. First of all, the best thing is to use it dry. Just use it dry and delicate without scratching hard on your mobile phone. That should be good enough. But if there is stubborn substance on it, so one can use the water, which is distilled water, gently just wet the microfiber cloth and then gently on the coating of your mobile phone, take out the cover and cleanse it very gently. Use a toothpick on the speaker area and clean that also if required. This can be done once daily. Now, there are different theories. People say that you could use the sanitizer on your mobile phone. Never do that. I'll show you why. There is a coating on your mobile phone which is called oleophobic coating. The meaning of oleophobic is that this is a security for your screen, so that this oleophobic coating, it prevents fingerprints and it also is resistant to oil and any kind of liquid stain. So what will happen is when you use your sanitizer on the hand sanitizer on mobile, of course it evaporates quickly, but then also your oleophobic coating with time is going to wear off. So you will no longer have that security. So what we should do is use only water, and that too distilled water. Do not even use soap as some people suggest, because even soaps with time they erase this coating. If the stain is really stubborn and it's not going off even with your with the water, so you can just mix in this manner 50% of water with 50% of your hand sanitizer, and just occasionally, if required, use the same microfiber cloth, dip it and then gently use it on the phone in this manner. That's it. Nothing more is needed, and that's good enough. So sanitizing our mobile phone is as simple as these steps. Subscribe and stay tuned for next week's episode, in which we will be reviewing an app that ensures the safety of our loved ones and ourselves. See you soon.